Today I'm going to be showing you Downy Unstopables. This is an in-wash scent booster. This is the fresh scent, and this is a 26.5 ounce bottle of Unstoppables. One bottle of this will last me a very long time. It's a very big, nice, heavy bottle. Let's open this up and I'm going to show you what it looks like. So you just take off the cap here. And this cap acts as a measuring cup. So you open up this and then you just measure. And that's what the pebbles look like. And then you just throw it inside your washer. And it will definitely give your clothes a nice fresh scent. So that's what the product looks like on the inside. I'm just gonna pour this back in here. It's getting everywhere. All right, and look at the back here. There's just some information about the product, how to use it. Overall, this is awesome. Highly recommend to others.